everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues, and today I'm reviewing this hand mixer by Tesco Basics. You can buy this mixer from Tesco for £6, because obviously that's why it's called Basic for, because it's basic one. This is the box it comes in, obviously, and no instructions, just standard box. Says UK at the top and Scooty protected at the top here, and that's about it. Inside the box, get these two metal mixer things, the instructions, and the mixer itself, which is white, just white plastic. At the top of the mixer you get this turn. It's got 5 speeds, and obviously you got speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, speed 5. It's basically just a turn like that. And that's so ejects these when they come on. And you put these on. This button here ejects this after at the top here. So just to show you, clip them on. You just clip on. Oh, I mean, for how much it costs, I mean, for £6, I mean, it's actually quite good, to be honest with you. It looks like one of the Kenwood ones, which are actually more. The Kenwood ones are like 20 quid, and these are only £6. But anyway, just press the button to show you. What's that? This is 125 watt, and it comes with a 1 meter cable. I was going to show you me mixing something up, but I can't actually find anything, so I'm not actually going to show you that. But I will actually show you it on and show you how fast it goes and stuff like that. So I'll just plug it in now and show you. Right, it's plugged in. Right, now this hasn't got an on-off switch. All you do basically is turn this here to speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, speed 5. To turn that to what speed you want, it just basically automatically comes on. And to turn it off, you just basically turn it down to naught again. I'll just try it on speed 1 first. Speed 1. Speed 2 now. Speed 3. Speed 4. And then speed 5. Turn it off. The only downside to this mixer, I mean, they could have put the lead at the back, because this lead here, I mean, pointing at the side like that, I mean, it just gets in the way, because look as I'm turning it, it just gets in the way. You can't actually, look, if you can see what I mean, that's the only downside to it. That should have been made at the back. But apart from that, I mean, so say for £6, you can't actually go wrong. Anyway, I hope you like this review, and hope you found something useful, and I'll see you next video. Bye!